It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 22. Day 22. Now I want to say ribbon. Oh, Maker Bee lotion bars. Okay, do you guys love lotion bars? I'm a lotion and a soap person. I make my own soap sometimes. This is by Twisted Threads. Shea butter, avocado oil, beeswax. Okay, what does this smell like? I don't care about anything else. Oh. What? I should have read the instructions. I can smell it. It smells like roses. Silky hydration that protection stays on your hands, not your projects. I mean, right? Okay. Does it have instructions? Usually with lotion bars, they're just in the tin. But this one, I'm thinking you kind of just, it becomes softer the more you heat it up. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I need it on the top. I'm getting like old lady hands. Oh, that's nice. I could see why you would want to wrap it up so it doesn't like get all over in here. But Twisted Bees Maker Bee lotion bar. I can still fill it, but it's not like, it's not tacky or anything either, which is really nice.